sun which you see is actually an illusion. There is no color of sun. Yes, the universe is colorless and every color you perceive in the nature is actually an illusion. Well, we see any object due to reflection of light. So to demonstrate this, I'll be showing you a light bulb on the screen so that you can understand it better. So we all know that when we increase the potential difference across the bulb, so you can feel that energy but you can't see that. So it tells us that light itself has no color, but it is a universe is colorless. Black is not a color. Then why is it not increasing its temperature? So it all leads to one conclusion that universe is colorless. Yes, the universe is colorless and every color you perceive in the nature is actually an illusion. Well, it sounds really weird because we daily come across many colors. Then why am I saying that there exists no color in the universe? Well, I have certain reasons for this. Give me a minute and then you will understand yourself. So to understand this concept, you should first of all know the basic idea of vision. So let me tell you that. So we need to know that how do we see any object? Well, we see any object due to reflection of light. So what happens is that, for example, this is my hand. So light is striking the surface of this hand and it is getting reflected towards my eyeball, and inside my eyeball there is a lens which creates an inverted image, and then that signal goes to brain through optic nerves, and then it creates an erect image. Of course, it is a very basic idea. I'm just telling you in terms of a layman, right? Okay, so far so good, but I did not mention that whether the image formed will be colorless or colorful. Give me a minute. So basically it's the brain which interprets different wavelengths as different colors. For example, if there is light wave of wavelength say 700 nanometers, then brain will interpret as a red color. And suppose if the wavelength is around 400 nanometer, then it will interpret as a violet color. So for humans, we have a range from 400 nanometers to 700 nanometer, and that is the visible spectrum. Any ray of higher or less wavelength won't be visible to us. For some animals, this range can vary, but for humans, it's this range only. So to demonstrate this, I'll be showing you a light bulb on the screen so that you can understand it better. So we all know that when we increase the potential difference across the bulb, then the bulb will start glowing. So let's assume that the bulb starts to glow at around the voltage of 100 volts. Now when the voltage was between 0 to 100 volts, then what was the case? Well, the bulb was glowing in that phase also, but the wavelength in that case was too high, so we could not see the color of that light. The wavelength of the light emitted between 0 to 100 volts was so high that we could not perceive through our eyes. But of course, if you place your hand on that light bulb, you will feel that the bulb has become a bit warm. So you can feel that energy, but you can't see that. And this simple idea is known as Wien's displacement law, which we study in quantum mechanics and thermodynamics. But for now, to explain this concept, I am telling you all. So we won't go in much deep in that. I've already made a video on quantum mechanics. You can check it out for more detail. But for now, just know that there is a formula. Lambda multiplied by temperature is a constant. Now the temperature will increase with the increase in voltage, hence the wavelength will keep on decreasing. So as the temperature increases, the wavelength will keep on decreasing, and there will come a time when the wavelength becomes around 700 nanometer, and then you will be able to see the glowing of the bulb, because then we will be able to see the colors. So it tells us that light itself has no color, but it is our brain which makes us perceive those colors. So light is colorless, which subsequently means that our universe is colorless. So now you know the reason that when you look into the universe using any simple telescope, then why it looks black, because of course it has no color. But you all can ask me that black is also color. No, black is not a color. Black is just the absence of light. Just take a very simple example. Suppose you are in a dark room. Now suppose I give you a torch of suppose violet color. So of course using that you can easily see the things, right? But what if I give you an infrared torch, then what will happen? Well, even if you switch it on, you won't be able to see anything because your eyes are not able to perceive infrared rays. Yeah, you can feel some warmness in the room due to that, but of course you won't be able to see anything. So now we can go to a more precise definition of black. For us humans, it is basically the absence of visible spectrum. Yeah, of course, if you take any body which is black and suppose you use an infrared glasses to see that object, what will happen? Well, you will be able to see that object but in a different way. Let me give you a simple example. Suppose this is a black object. So why will I be able to see it in darkness also if I wear infrared glasses? Let me tell you. So we all know that the temperature of the object is constant. It is not increasing nor it is decreasing, right? Correct? But wait, why the temperature is constant? Because we all know that it is continuously surrounded by radiation. So of course it will absorb those radiation. It should increase its temperature. Then why is it not increasing its temperature? Well, there is a very simple thing to be noted over here, is that this object is also radiating some energy which is equal to the amount of energy it has absorbed. So that is why the net change in the energy is zero. So the net change in temperature will also be equal to zero. Correct? So it is emitting radiation also. So that is why when you will wear infrared glasses, you will be able to see those radiations. Basically the temperature difference you will be able to see. So it all leads to one conclusion, that universe is colorless and there exists no color in this universe. So yeah, reality is just an illusion. Whatever you see is not exactly what is the truth. So yeah, now I've removed that myth that this object is of this color, that object is of that color. No, actually nothing has any color. It is just our brain which makes us perceive those colors. Basically the universe is completely full of wavelengths of light, nothing else. It is our brain which distinguishes those wavelengths in terms of different colors, nothing else. So for universe, they are basically just wavelengths, and for our brain from 400 nanometers to 700 nanometers, it's the visible spectrum which it makes us feel like we are seeing different colors, but that's just an illusion. So in reality, the color of sun which you see is actually an illusion. There is no color of sun. So whatever colors you are seeing since your childhood, all are just fake. The color of the sun is also fake. The color of the moon is also fake. The color of yours is fake. The color of mine is fake. The color of whole universe is actually fake. Whatever you have seen, it is just our brain which makes us feel like that. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please do like, share, subscribe my channel, and be support this video. Bye bye. Take care.